When measuring flour for baking, never pack it down into a measuring cup or scoop the flour directly out of the bag. The Baker's Almanac says it can add up to 30 grams of excess flour, which can change the texture and the taste of your baked goods. Fluff up the flour in your bag or canister with a fork first, then use a spoon to fill the measuring cup, gently piling up the flour until it's over the top of the measuring cup. Use the back of a butter knife or spatula to level the flour. Recipes are based on fluffed flour measured in a measuring cup for dry ingredients.